Are you looking for the best TV carts? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best TV carts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mobile TV cart for 32 to 75 inch TV's rolling stand. This versatile rolling TV stand is compatible with flat or curved TVs from 32 inch to 75. It features a camera tray, AV shelf, and cable management system, making it perfect for any space, such as workout room, office, school, shopping mall, airport, etc. The sturdy base ensures excellent center of gravity to counterbalance the weight of the whole unit, and large rubber wheels make it easy to move around. With a loading capacity up to 100 pounds, it is well constructed and adjustable for your convenience. What we like: sturdy and stable construction, easy assembly with clear instructions, flexible height adjustment, lockable smooth rolling wheels, stylish modern design. What we don't like: assembly may require assistance. TV can slide horizontally. Number 2. YOMT Mobile TV Cart for 13 to 50 inch screens. YOMT TV Cart is a versatile mobile stand for 13 to 50 inch screens. It offers a flexible screen position for optimal viewing, allowing you to adjust the height, tilt, and rotation according to your preferences. The sturdy construction and smooth swivel wheels make it easy to move around. You can use it as a mobile or floor stand, with the added convenience of adjustable leveling feet. Assembling is simple, and it saves space with its slim profile, fitting neatly in any room. What we like: sturdy and well built, easy assembly with clear instructions, adjustable height feature, versatile and mobile design, additional shelf space available. What we don't like: somewhat tricky vertical rotation, flimsy at times. Number 3. Mobile TV cart for 23 to 60 inch LCD LED flat panel TVs. The mobile TV cart is a portable universal stand that fits most 23 inch to 60 LCD LED OLED plasma smart fire flat screens, curved TVs, computer monitors, or weatherproof outdoor televisions. It has all metal construction and can hold up to 88 pounds, and comes with versatile TV brackets and a solid shelf that provides height adjustment for a better viewing experience. Once assembled, it moves rather easily and can be moved around indoor, outdoor, and everywhere you need to with ease. Assembly is easy and it comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. What we like: sturdy build, easy mobility, compatible with various TV sizes, good value for money, versatile design. What we don't like: time-consuming assembly, confusing instructions. Number 4. VIVO Mobile TV Cart for 32 to 83 inch screens. The VIVO Mobile TV Cart is a rolling stand that fits most 32 inch to 83 screens weighing up to 110 pounds, including LCD, LED, OLED, 4K, smart, outdoor, flat, and curved TV types. It features a mobile trolley cart with 4 lockable wheels for smooth mobility, a clamp-on utility shelf that holds up to 10 pounds, and plus 15 degrees to minus 15 degrees screen tilt for optimal viewing angles. With easy installation hardware and instructions provided, this TV cart is perfect for home and office use. What we like: sturdy and well built, easy to assemble, adjustable height feature, good quality materials, mobility with locking casters. What we don't like: instructions could be clearer. Number 5. PERLESMITH Mobile TV Cart with Wheels. The PERLESMITH TV Cart is a versatile and convenient solution for your TV needs. With its universal compatibility, it can accommodate most 23 inch to 60 LCD, LED, flat screen, and curved TVs weighing up to 55 pounds. The height-adjustable tray allows you to customize your viewing experience and provides a sturdy platform for your laptop, DVD player, or gaming devices. The cart is highly compatible, making it perfect for both home and commercial use. The built-in wire management system keeps your cables organized and concealed, while the robust and stylish design ensures durability and stability. The PERLESMITH TV cart is the ideal choice for those who want flexibility and convenience in moving their TV around. What we like: sturdy design, easy mobility, height adjustability, compact and space-saving, simple assembly. What we don't like: no cord management included, limited aesthetics.